Need to find the right application to start trading with Opofinance? I'm gonna tell you exactly how to find and install the official applications like MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, CTrader, fast and easy. Let's dive in. First, log into your Opofinance client panel. On the left-hand menu, click Download Platforms. Now select the Apps tab. Here you'll see a list of available applications for different devices. Choose your platform, Windows, Android, iOS or web. Click Download next to your desired app. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and install it on your device. That's all. Now you're ready to log in and start trading. Quick and simple, now your platform is ready to go. If this video helped, like it, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a tutorial. If you have any questions, write us in the comments, and thank you till the next video.